Hey, welcome back to the Keith Bryant Show. I'm here with Kamil from Yamaha. So, welcome, sir. Can you tell us a little bit about what Yamaha have brought to the show?
Good afternoon. So, my name is Kamil. Thanks for introducing me. So, the Yamaha robotics is always bringing the one-stop smart solution. So, the complete line proposal, starting from the printing, through the pace inspection, through the mounting process, and the pre-post reflow LOI, supported by software package. So all of this you can see on our stand here in Anaheim.
Okay, so you're one of the few companies really who still does what we used to call the complete solution. Are you finding now that more customers are moving to this direction so they have compatibility and the machines linked together better?
Yes, definitely. We have more and more requests for the interfaces to communicate the machine to machine. This is more and more common, and there are several advantages of such communication. For example, the process improvement, the self-improvement. So the SPI talks to the printer. SPI can talk also to the mounter. Then the AI can give a feedback to your mounter. So yeah, there is a lot of advantages. And also in the data collection, it's important. So you can improve your process after the production. You can monitor your production quality in the real time. So we have a dedicated tool for this. We call it the Yamaha YSUP dashboard. This dashboard can bring the all data together from printing, pace inspection, the mounting, pre-post reflow LOI, can analyze automatically your pickup rate and can give the instruction for the line operator what is going wrong on which line, which machine, which feeder, what should be done. So there are algorithms that are checking and trying to improve your process and so on.
So with your machine-to-machine communication, is that simply automated in that one machine tells another machine what to do, or is there a human interface checking those communications?
Yeah, basically the machine can communicate to machine completely independent. We have several options, the features for the machine-to-machine communication. For example, between the SPI and the printer, we can trigger the stencil cleaning. We can also offset the printing position between the PCB and the mask. But also we can transfer the PCB serial number. We can transfer the product information between for example, the mounter and the AOI information. We can check what's the quality of the components and information to the operator what should be improved on the line is also displayed on the mobile tool. So yeah, we have plenty of features. Depends on the process. Actually, some processes can be completely automated, so the machine to machine. The other, we have a link from the machine to the human, to the operator.
Okay, but obviously you're able to produce much higher yields first time than a normal system without that communication.
Yeah, that's the goal, to squeeze the machines what we have on the production flow. And improve the quality. This is everything to have a better OEE and a better quality with, I would like to say, the less effort, a less skilled operator.
Yeah, and having enough operators is a problem for most factories around the world. So being able to automate helps. So my last question, have you brought anything new to the show?
This year, we are presenting. I'm sure the first time our new screen printer YRP10, which was launched to the market end of the last year. It's a 20% more accurate than the predecessor YSP10. This printer bringing also some automation features like the mask exchange, the backup pin exchange system, the paste transfer. So many features with really high accuracy. The repeatability of this printer is plus minus 8 micron with 6 sigma. So it's really that top,
that's
top level.
Pretty tight tolerances. Yeah. So I'm sure that will get a lot of interest at the show, and thank you very much for coming in and sharing with us.
Thanks for this interview.
Thank you.